Deep in the heart of Karnataka, in Hassan district, lies a quiet village named Haranhalli. It's about 35 kilometers from the temple town of Hassan. Haranhalli, also referred as Haranahalli, Haranahalli or Hiriya Somanathapura from the history. This village appears simple at first glance: narrow lanes, humble homes and serene countryside. Hidden within this rustic setting stands a magnificent reminder of the Hoysala's era. The Shree Lakshminarasimha Swami Temple. This stone marvel has watched over Haranahalli for more than 8 centuries. It is about 300 meters to the west of Someshwara temple dedicated to Lord Shiva himself. According to the inscriptions found near the temple and in the village, this temple was originally dedicated to and named Keshava, also Lord Vishnu, but over its history was renamed as the Shree Lakshminarasimha Swami Temple. The Shree Lakshminarasimha Swami Temple was constructed by 3 wealthy brothers, Sovanna, Kesanna and Peddanna Heggade in the 13th century during the reign of the King Veera Someshwara of the Hoysala dynasty. The Hoysalas were great patrons of the temple architecture, leaving behind masterpieces such as Beluru and Halebeedu. As the world knows of Beluru and Halebeedu, the Shree Lakshminarasimha Swami Temple in Haranahalli glows with the same brilliance but in quiet solitude. Like many Hoysala temples, the Lakshmi Narasimha shrine follows the Stellated design. This unique form breaks the monotony of straight lines, giving the temple both movement and rhythm. This temple reflects a Hoysala style. Hoysala is a modified temple architecture style by the Chalukyas. These are the combination of Nagara and Dravidian styles. The designing carried from the Chalukyan era, then Hoysalas made an addition into it. This temple has only one Vimana with superstructure, making it appear from the distance as if it has just one sanctum. It sits on a Pallavi style of Jagati, a molded platform constructed as per Vastu guidelines with horizontal friezes, each narrating a story. Lowest band marching elephants symbolizing strength and stability. Above the elephants, rows of horses and riders representing valor. Next band, foliage scrolls with vines and creepers symbolizing fertility and life. Lions and makaras guarding divinity. Above them are the panels depicting episodes of the Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Purana, Vishnu's 10 incarnations in sequence. Krishna lifting Govardhana, Arjuna shooting arrows, Hanuman carrying Sanjeevani, Lord Vishnu in different forms as Narasimha, Varaha and Krishna, musicians, dancers and courtly figures. Shrines with elaborate towers known as shikharas in miniature form. Top layer, swans known as hamsas symbolizing purity, followed by kritimukas, the fierce protective faces reflecting Hoysala's love for music and culture. Each frieze is carved with astonishing detail, frozen stories on stone that once inspired faith in generations. The fine soapstone used by Hoysala artisans allowed for intricate details that still survive centuries of weather and remained a sacred center of devotion for the people of the Haranahalli and surrounding regions. This temple at Haranahalli is a Trikuta, meaning a three-shrined temple. Step inside and the magic of Hoysala artistry unfolds. At the entrance, Dwarapalakas, known as the celestial guardians, stand with strength, welcoming every devotee into the sanctity of the shrine. Within the sanctum, Lord Lakshmi Narasimha, Vishnu's fierce yet compassionate form, cradled by the divine presence of Goddess Lakshmi, is worshipped as the temple's presiding deity, a symbol of strength that protects and compassion that nurtures. Alongside the shrines of Lord Venugopala, the enchanting flute-playing Krishna, and Keshava, the serene form of Vishnu, represent the Vaishnava faith in its serene and divine aspects. All three shrines, built on a raised star-shaped platform known as Jagati. Door frames are richly ornamented with scrolls, creepers, and tiny divine figures. The temple was designed not just for worship but for ritual circumambulation, allowing devotees to perform pradakshina around the sanctum, absorbing divinity through sculpture and silence. The Navaranga or hall is supported by lathe-turned soapstone pillars smooth as mirrors, each with subtle variations in form, appearing like black marble, carved with rings, moldings, and sometimes miniature deities at the base. Historic guardians, Kritimukas and Nagas. Deep carving creates a three-dimensional effect, catching shadows beautifully. Some pillars support bracket figures known as Madanikas, the celestial dancers and musicians. These pillars are not merely supports, they are works of art, showcasing the craftsmanship of a master sculpture. Ceilings divided into square panels, each with unique themes: lotus medallions in full bloom, dancing figures, Shiva's Tandava, Vishnu's poses. Together, the three deities represent the multiple dimensions of Vaishnava faith: fierce protection, divine playfulness, and eternal peace. Records tell us that Haranhalli was once flourishing town under Hoysala rule, with two major historic temples, the Lakshmi Narasimha Temple and the Someshwara Temple. Both stand even today side by side, reflecting the Hoysala devotion to the both Vishnu and Shiva traditions. Even today, this temple continues to embody the soul of Karnataka's spiritual heritage. The temple is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. As the sun dips behind the fields of Haranahalli, the Shree Lakshminarasimha Swami Temple stands in a quiet majesty, a guardian of faith, art, and memory. More than a stone, more than history, it is a living soul of Haranahalli. For those who journey here, the temple is not just a monument of the past, but a timeless reminder of Karnataka's enduring heritage. Stay tuned at @ChasingHorizons-in